let's have a look at, oh, the phone's not focusing in, the TTP223. I bought a few batches of 10 recently from eBay, and they've arrived, and I checked them out, and a couple of things I wanted to do was run some tests on them. And I found a bit of an issue. So let's have a look. Okay, I'm running on 3 volts to my power supply there. Sorry about the sun in the background. And in idle mode, it's drawing approximately 1 microamp. Jumps up and down a little bit. Sorry, the phone's not focusing very well here. And the reason for that is, you'll see it rising every so often, is that it's doing a self-calibration every so often. Okay, now, I'm going to switch my multimeter to milliamps, and I'm going to touch the switch. Now, it's actually calibrated itself to my desk behind the piece of card that it's taped onto. And I'm going to show you something. Now, remember, this is on 3 volts. What do I get? 6 milliamps when the LED is lit. Okay, now, it's not a function of the integrated circuit. It is actually the problem with the LED resistor, which is 121 ohms. I'll discuss that in a moment. Now, I've put my power supply, it's a nominal 5 volts, okay. Now, let's do the test again. So, okay, idle current, oh, it says 0.01 of a milliamp. Let's have a look. Let's operate it again. Fine. Notice the LED is very much brighter on 5 volts. And in this case now, the current goes up to 16 or 15.8 milliamps. I'm saying, whoa, this is not very good. Now, on the TTP223, you'll see an LED there. Oops, I'm setting that off. And just below that there is the resistor. It's 120 ohms. Device, when it's turned on, actually goes to logic 1, so it's sourcing current, which should be no more than 4 milliamps. The data sheet says now what I've done is I've changed the LED resistor there for a 4.7k ohm, and you'll see the LED is still bright enough for what I want. Okay, and big difference now in the current consumption, 0.67 of a milliamp at 5 volts nominal. Now I've got a nominal 3 volts on there. We'll go back and do the test again. Let's have a look. Very little current, LED operating, 0.3 of a milliamp. Hey, that's fine, I'm quite happy with that. Okay, and it's still bright enough that you can do your operation or testing, etc. Okay, and the last point too is, if you're going to drive an LED on the output wire, which is the center pad, or in my case the white wire, make sure that you put in a suitable resistor of at least a minimum of 1000 or 1k ohms. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I hope that has been of some help to you.